You could be doing everything right, going to the gym, trying to eat clean, maybe even taking supplements, but your energy still feels low. Your strength isn't improving. Your motivation just isn't there. So what's going wrong?
What if the problem isn't what you're missing, but what you're eating every single day?
Because some of the most common foods you probably think are harmless, are actually killing your testosterone. And here's the worst part. They're hiding in plain sight. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods that kill testosterone you need to avoid. And I'll show you one simple shift that can start boosting your testosterone naturally almost immediately. The sugar trap, the biggest testosterone killer. Let's start with the most dangerous one, sugar. We're talking about sodas, desserts, candies, and even those healthy fruit juices. Now here's what most people don't realize. When you consume sugar, your blood sugar spikes. Your body releases insulin to deal with it. And that spike in insulin directly impacts your testosterone levels. In fact, research shows that high sugar intake can cause a noticeable drop in testosterone shortly after consumption. Think of it like this. Your body is trying to maintain balance. Testosterone is one of the key hormones keeping everything running smoothly, but sugar throws that balance off instantly. And here's where things get interesting. It's not just obvious sugar. Hidden sugars in ketchup, bread, cereals, and packaged snacks are quietly lowering your testosterone every day. So even if you think you're eating okay, these hidden sources might be working against you. Liquid calories that destroy hormones fast. Now, this next one might surprise you. Drinks are often worse than food. Sodas, energy drinks, sweetened teas, flavored coffees, they deliver massive amounts of sugar in seconds. And because you don't chew them, your brain doesn't register fullness the same way. So you end up consuming more calories, more sugar, and more damage to your hormones. But here's the real issue. These drinks don't just spike insulin, they also contribute to fat gain. And higher body fat is directly linked to lower testosterone levels. So if you're serious about avoiding foods that lower testosterone levels, your drinks are the first place to fix. Refined carbs, the hidden sugar problem. Let's talk about something most people overlook: refined carbs. White bread, pastries, pasta, and baked goods. They might not taste sweet, but your body treats them just like sugar. They break down quickly into glucose, spike your blood sugar, and trigger the same hormonal disruption. And this is where most people make a mistake. They cut out sugary snacks but keep eating loads of refined carbs. From your body's perspective, it's the same problem. So if you're trying to increase testosterone naturally, reducing refined carbs is just as important as cutting sugar. Dairy overload and hormone interference. Now let's get into a more debated topic: dairy. Milk, cheese, ice cream, these are staples in many diets. And while dairy isn't inherently bad, overconsumption, especially low-quality processed dairy, can interfere with hormone production. Why? Because some dairy products contain added hormones or compounds that mimic hormones in your body. Imagine trying to run your system while outside signals keep interfering. That's what's happening. But here's the key point. This isn't about eliminating dairy completely. It's about being mindful of quality and quantity. Soy products, should you be worried? Now let's address one of the most searched questions. Does soy reduce testosterone levels? Soy contains phytoestrogens, plant-based compounds that mimic estrogen. In very large amounts, these can potentially impact testosterone. But here's the truth.
For most people, moderate soy consumption won't destroy testosterone.
However, if you're already dealing with low testosterone or trying to optimize your levels, it's smart to limit high soy intake, because small effects can add up over time. Processed foods, the ultimate testosterone killers. Now this is where everything comes together. Processed foods. Fast food, frozen meals, chips, packaged snacks, these combine all the worst elements. Sugar, refined carbs, unhealthy fats, artificial additives. It's basically a perfect formula for lowering testosterone. Think about it like this. Instead of one problem, you're dealing with multiple attacks at once. Your insulin spikes. Your fat levels increase. Your hormones get disrupted. And over time, your testosterone drops. And the worst part? These foods are engineered to keep you coming back. Alcohol, the lifestyle testosterone killer. Let's talk about alcohol. This is one that people often ignore. Drinking occasionally isn't the issue, but regular drinking, that's where the problem starts. Alcohol directly suppresses testosterone production. And here's where things get interesting. It also disrupts your sleep. And poor sleep is one of the biggest causes of low testosterone. So alcohol hits you from two directions, reducing production and blocking recovery. If you're serious about boosting testosterone naturally, this is something you can't ignore. Vegetable oils and inflammation. Now this next one is sneaky. Vegetable oils. Soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, these are everywhere. They're used in cooking, fast food, and packaged snacks. The issue is they're high in omega-6 fatty acids. In small amounts, that's fine, but in excess, they cause inflammation in the body. And chronic inflammation is a known testosterone killer. It slows down your body's ability to produce hormones efficiently. So even if everything else is right, this one factor can hold you back. The healthy food mistake most people make. Here's something that catches a lot of people off guard. Some foods marketed as healthy are actually hurting your testosterone. Low-fat yogurt, diet snacks, processed protein bars. They sound good, they look healthy, but they're often loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients. And here's the big mistake. People cut out fats thinking it's healthier. But testosterone is built from fats. When you remove healthy fats from your diet, you're removing the raw materials your body needs to produce testosterone. The simple shift that boosts testosterone naturally. Now let's bring it all together. Because knowing what foods to avoid for testosterone is only half the battle. The real change happens when you replace them. Swap sugary drinks for water or unsweetened beverages. Replace refined carbs with whole foods like rice, potatoes, oats. Choose healthy fats like eggs, nuts, olive oil. This isn't about being perfect. It's about making smarter choices consistently. And when you do that, your body responds. Your energy improves. Your strength increases. Your testosterone starts to recover. You started this video wondering why your energy and motivation might be low? Now you know, it could be the foods you eat every day. The good news? You can fix it. If this helped you understand how diet affects testosterone levels, then you'll definitely want to watch the next video where I break down the top foods that boost testosterone naturally. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.